Hello folks, Bronco Bob with Texas Best Used Motorcycles. Here today to show you a 20-foot Pace cargo trailer. It's got the diamond plate rock guard on the front, a side entry door. It's got a brand new set of tires. And inside there's a couple of extra tires for spares. They call this the 20-foot cargo sport. It's got the ramp, little fold down extension, but this one was set up to haul, looks like furniture. If you wanted to haul motorcycles, you'd have to install some floor tie downs, or you could haul ATVs in it. There's two tires that come with it. It's got the side rails on the side to tie down like boxes or furniture. The ramp door makes it easy to load and unload, but you could certainly modify it, make a motorcycle hauler or a good ATV hauler. This does have the LED lights, and the only real damage on it, it's got a place where one of the tires blew out and it kind of got that little aluminum piece. Those are replaceable, or you can maybe straighten it a little bit, but otherwise she's in good shape and ready to work. If you got any questions, give us a call. It's here at our Mansfield store. I'm Bronco Bob with Texas Best Used Motorcycles, wishing you happy trails.